Namaste. My name is Balaji. My channel name is Balaji Vemapu. Please subscribe my channel. Special thank to Keshwa Garu and Srivalli and Sridevi Garu, my school principals. Thank you, Andy. Now, today tells about the 8th standard mathematics. Before you enter the 8th standard mathematics, please, my channel name is Balaji Vemavarpu. Please subscribe my channel. Before today's class is 8th class mathematics. Before you learn the 8th standard mathematics in the first chapter, rational numbers. You are the learn that rational numbers. You are the tells about that. You are the know about that. How many types of numbers? As simply classified that the in academical purpose, simply still 8th standard know that 4 types of numbers. Right. The first model is type of model number is natural numbers or indicated by the symbol is n. The another name of the natural number is counting numbers. Don't confuse that. Counting numbers as well natural numbers also same like that. They are the numbers set of 1, 2, 3 and so on. As like that, what the natural numbers can be studied in the 6th standard. And move on to the next step, and the second type of the number, the whole numbers. The whole numbers are indicated by the symbol W. This is a set of natural numbers. The add or place the 0 in front of the natural numbers. You must and should be add 0. They convert into the whole numbers. Set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on is called whole numbers. In briefly, what is meant by integers and third type of the number? Integers can be denoted by the symbol Z. This is a set of whole numbers and place all the integers on of natural numbers. They simply denoted by set of 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, minus plus 1 and 2. And you are entering the third. This is also till the 3 types of numbers in learn about the 7th standard. Completed. If any doubt can be discussed in the further classes. Now the first chapter in 8th standard, rational numbers. Rational numbers exact definition: the numbers which are expressed as p form of p by q. As simply say that rational numbers are denoted by the q, capital Q. Simply it is a fractions like that. You identify the generally or the enter this new chapter. The rational numbers is kept in the mind is this is a like fractions. Okay, now in the fractions in there's 2 assumptions. The numbers which are expressed in the form of p by q, like think but fractions in especially p and q are integers, but you are the taken the numbers are for example fraction 1 by 2. You have taken this is the p or q as 1 or 2 are the integers whatever, and q does not is equal to 0. Simply denominator is does not equal to 0, numerator is equal not equal to 0. Especially in this case 2 steps is involved. Either kept in the mind, rational numbers is denoted by the q, the numbers which are expressed in the form of p by q, nothing but fractions. Denominator is the second rule in this lesson is when you named as this one is a natural number, this one is a integers, can be the following rule is the rational number is denominator is does not equal to 0, then it is called the rational numbers. Rational numbers, can you say M second ma'am? Rational numbers, the numbers which are expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q does not is equal to 0, they are called rational numbers. The especially overview of that in rational numbers is the rational numbers means simply denoted by q is equal to set of x such that x belongs to x such that x is equal to p by q, where p comma q are integers, q does not is equal to 0. Especially entire the chapter you will discuss about that. What is meant by q? Q is the symbol of the rational number. Okay, is equal to x such that x belongs to P by Q, where P or Q are integers, Q does not is equal to 0. Simple like that. 4 by 5 or 6 by 7 minus 1 by 3 comma 6 by 7 are all rational numbers. Now rational numbers are closed under the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication. Rational numbers cannot be closed in division. Your the number thing is rational number can be closed. Rational numbers can be closed. Addition, subtraction, multiplication closed in, but rational numbers does not closed in. Rational numbers does not closed in, does not closed in, does not closed in division operation. Simply, and the most important points in the second point and third point. And the first point is definition of the rational number, and second is rational numbers can be closed addition, subtraction, multiplication. And second point is rational number does not be closed on division property. Further, will be numbers the whole numbers, and the further operate can be discussed in the next video. Thank you. Space అయిపోయింది.